Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. Before we get started with demonstrating how to dump and restore data using MySQL Shell, we need to verify that the global variable named local_in_file is set to on. We do this by running the query show global variables like local_in_file. Note we are still in JavaScript mode, but we can run a query by prefacing the command with \SQL. If the local_in_file variable is set to off, we can turn it on by running the command \SQL set global local_in_file equals on. Before we dump our data, let's take a look at some information from our original schema. We used \u Sequila to switch to the Sequila schema. We run the query select count star from actor to see how many rows are in the actor table. We can see there are 200 rows. To dump data from specific tables, we use the util.dumpTables method. In this example, we are using 4 arguments. The name of the schema to use, in this case, Sequila, an array of tables to include in our dump. Here, we are just dumping the actor table. The path to where the dump files will be exported. In this example, the files will be added to the Sequila-dump-tables folder under the dumps folder in my user's root directory. The 4th argument is optional and can include config information about the dump. We're using the where property to tell MySQL we only want to include actors with an ID greater than 150 in our dump. If we left off this argument, every row in the actor table would be included in our dump. Once the command is complete, we will see information about our dump. To load the data into a new database, we use the util.loadDump method. This method takes 2 arguments. The first is the path to the directory that has our dump files. Here we can see this is the same directory we just specified in our last command. The second is the name of the schema to load the data into. In this demo, we are using the Sequila-2 schema. We would use the same command for dumps created with util.dump schemas or util.dump instance. Once the command is done, we will see information about the load process. Now, let's verify that our data was restored as expected. We use \u Sequila-2 to switch to the new schema. Then we run a query to show the tables. We can see that only one table exists in our database, the actor table. Next, we run the query select count star from actor. We can see now that only 50 rows are included in our database. You may want to perform a more comprehensive verification of your data. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.